KD15. Equipped with car LED chips, full CNC one-piece engraving and molding. Highly refractive vacuum-coated aluminum reflectors. Safety fill light 60 watts. 3 kinds of constant light. 4 kinds of warning modes. Smart temperature control to inhibit light decay. 2.4G wireless switch. Fast response without breaking code. Standby time up to 300 days. With IP68 waterproof performance, precise cutoff line control light, exquisite and compact body for easy hidden installation, low beam auxiliary light preferred, make night riding a pleasure.